Hi everybody, today we're playing Let's Do Little People Repair Shop. See how it says Little People right here?
Mm-hmm.
Then this. Okay, let's do our video.
Okay, tell us what you're doing.
So this is how it works. See?
What's that?
That's the dryer.
Ah.
This is the green button.
Nice.
See? It makes it go out.
Mm-hmm.
Then watch.
What are you doing there?
Filling up with gas. See? It's a gas station. A gas station is right here.
That's cool.
See?
Oh yeah, that's really good.
And then put it back right here.
Okay.
And here's some tire right here.
Oh.
But they be right here, see? And don't just grab them, see?
Oh.
They're just stick together.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So these are how they work.
What is that?
Lift buttons. 3 buttons.
I see.
And this thing makes go out when it's done.
Okay. What does the lift do?
The lift makes them all the way to the top.
Oh, can you show us? And then what do you do?
It does this, that makes it already press this thing here.
Oh. And then? What's that? That's awesome. Oh, and then he goes in there.
You need to see him inside it.
Oh, yeah, I see that. And what's going on in there?
It's going to get dried.
Okay. It's time for more gas.
Like this. And this. Like that, then put this right here. This is where you put the gas pump. Like that. That goes glub, 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 glub. Now it's done.
Oh, great. What do we got now? Oh, the farmer brought his tractor in. It's going to get looked at. Lift it up. Oh. Wash, wash. Oh. This is a pretty amazing fix-it station. Even tractors fit.
But the farmer doesn't fit here when he's in his tractor.
Oh, I
See?
see.
I'll show you why. Watch. Watch.
Uh-huh. Oh, he doesn't fit. Sorry, farmer, I gotta get out.
First, and then you needs to get dry. Okay, now we just need to fill it up with gas. Like this way. Like that. Then we're done.
Is that it?
Uh-huh.
Alright. What's your favorite thing about this fix-it station?
You could change cards too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, hold it out. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So, there's the fix-it station. You got the lift. Tell us again all the parts. What's that part?
The tractor. I want the tractor.
No, what are we looking at in the camera?
The lift.
Uh-huh.
I like the lift part.
And then the lift lifts up, and then what?
I like the lift best.
Oh, yeah. That's fun.
Okay, now say bye. Bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Say don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click that red button right here.
Okay. Go ahead.